In this video, I'm going to cover 3 specific aspects of the trademark system. First, what is trademark? Second, what is the process for registering your trademark? And third, what is the process leading up to registration and use of your trademark? Trademark is a form of intellectual property protection that gives you the exclusive right to use your name, logo, and slogan within the category of goods and services that you provide. The trademark system is different than the business registration system in the US. So just because you have your corporation or LLC registered under a particular name doesn't give you the exclusive right to use that name. That's in the trademark domain. In the US, trademark is governed by first in time rule. So whoever uses the mark first in time will have superior rights, can exclude other people from using it. Even if you have not trademarked your name, you still have what are called common law rights. By using the name in commerce, you essentially get those rights as long as you're the first to use it. And one important side note is that you cannot trademark a word that basically describes the goods and services that you sell. So for example, if you sell chairs, you cannot trademark the word chairs. Before applying for registration for your trademark, we strongly advise doing a clearance search up front to make sure that the mark is suitable for registration and use after that. And the reason for this is that, contrary to common misconception, just because you have your mark registered with the US Patent and Trademark Office doesn't necessarily give you the right to use it, because later on it could get invalidated by someone who comes along and says they had used the mark in commerce first. So the point of the clearance search is really make sure that the investment that you make in your branding and your trademark application is protected. And it reduces the risk that later on somebody says that your mark is invalid, or that the US Patent and Trademark Office invalidates your mark by not granting registration. The way we go about the clearance search is we start with the US Patent and Trademark database of registered marks and pending marks. We also look at common law rights, which include the web and other sources. And we also look at state databases of registered names and registered trademarks. Through this search, we hope to uncover any marks that may be potentially confusing down the road, or any marks that were used in commerce first. Throughout the process, we may employ additional strategies if needed. For example, if there's a specific mark that we have some questions about, we may employ a third-party investigator to look into it. We may also issue a legal opinion to the business. The purpose of the legal opinion is to reduce the risk that the application for registration gets denied by the US Patent and Trademark Office. Also to reduce the likelihood that a third party could come along and later try to invalidate your trademark down the road after it's been granted registration. And also to limit and reduce your damages in the unfortunate event that a third party issues a lawsuit for trademark infringement. There's a lot of moving parts to the trademark system. Hopefully this video gave you a good overview of trademark law, but if you have any questions, please reach out to us.